Good afternoon, and welcome to this presentation, where we'll be looking on strategy, innovation, and change at Springfield General Hospital. So let's look on our agenda for today. We'll do a review of the problem as it currently exists. Then we'll see what the changes that need to be made. We'll have to ensure that there's mutual engagement. We'll look on the next steps, and also at the end, we'll look on takeaways and take questions. So what is the problem at Springfield General Hospital? We have a computerized patient order system implemented. However, patient information is inaccurate, dosage information is inaccurate, and there is a difficulty in discontinuing or changing medication. Also, the hospital has had issues with accurate distribution of medication. The dosage information on the system is different from what might be expected from previous systems. The details on allergic effects and impact of using multiple drugs are currently unavailable. Therefore, we need a change. A new system is to be implemented to correct the problem. But for this to happen, we need your input. What are the issues that you feel? How do you think they can be fixed? And is there any part of the current system that should remain? Maybe there is some good in it that you would like to see in the new system to come. We'll also have to ensure that we have mutual engagement. This will be done through diagnosis of the current skill levels. From that, we'll ascertain the steps needed for improvements where needed. We have to be sure that there is a full understanding of the organization and its needs. We have to be mindful of the fact that communication is essential. So there must be constant communication through bulletins and meetings and other such methods. We will be engaging a consulting firm to assist with the project and change management. So what are our next steps? As I stated before, we need you. We need to gather information from you, which will be done through surveys, group sessions, as well as individual interviews. Then we have to set up teams, with the change management and change ambassadors, project teams, and train the trainers. Some of you will be trained, and then you'll be super users who will help to train others. Then, of course, we have to purchase a new system through the help of procurement, and then we do a user acceptance testing, which may be one to begin with, and then we may have others throughout. We will also have to do extensive training. Based on these training, there may be reviews, recommendations, and adjustments that have to be made. If there are any changes, then we will have to retest. You will also have to migrate all the data onto the system. After that, we will implement the system. So what are our takeaways? Our current system has failed. We have to gather information to determine why that system failed and what we can do to make it better. A consultant is to be hired, and this consultant will help to manage the teams that are to be formed to help to change the system. We will make this new system better. We have to make it better. To make this happen, we need you. We need you to make this work. Thank you all for being here today, and I will take any questions that you may have.